like I am putting my best effort to learn English language, still I'm struggling, still I'm not getting good result. Even I'm writing something, even I'm trying to speak, in spite of that I'm not getting that kind of perfection which I deserve. Friends, if you are the one who is also struggling with this kind of problem, like you are doing your best effort to learn English language, you want to speak impeccable English, but you are not getting the good result, you are not getting expected result. So friends, what is the reason behind it? So I just want to draw your attention towards the reason, like in spite of putting your best effort, why you are not getting your expected result, why you are not becoming a fluent speaker. What is the reason behind it? Friends, you know what, so far as I have experienced that like you are not putting your effort in the right direction. Where are you missing? Where, what is the area you are missing? I'm thinking you are learning only English grammar through Hindi channel. I'm not 100% sure, but I can guess like you may be learning English speaking through any Hindi channel. So you are only learning like English structures, English grammar, okay? You are not focused towards style of speaking. Your all the focus is only towards grammatical structures and all. So I just want to suggest you that in place of learning grammar structures, rules and all through Hindi channel, if you select an English channel, so not only you will listen English grammar and all, but also you will learn style of speaking. Because the day I changed my source of learning, friends, frankly speaking and honestly, I started learning style of speaking. Like there are so many words. If you choose a class where teacher speaks in English, if the teacher explains all the things in English, so you will catch all the things. You will learn grammatical structures and all, as well as you will learn how to speak, style of speaking, pronunciation, so many vocabs at a time. So there are so many words which I was totally ignorant, like literally, to be very frank with you, or nobody will deny, everybody will accept, frankly speaking, to be to be very honest with you, to be very frank with you. So there are so many words, so many fixed phrases which I did not know how to speak, which I didn't know how to speak. But friends, when I started listening teacher speech, okay, so I really saw changes in myself. What I saw, I was learning both at a time, like style of speaking as well as so many grammatical things. That's why, friend, I'm suggesting you, if you change your medium of learning, source of learning, so definitely you will get benefited. If you are a beginner, so it's very important to learn English rules and also Hindi channel. But if you are upper beginner level, or you are on intermediate level, or you are on the advanced level, so definitely you can change your source of learning, your medium of learning, because definitely you will get benefited. You will enhance your communication skill and you will learn very fast. That's what I have applied. And friends, this idea occurred in my mind, like let's share this idea to my audience. So today, in today's video, I am sharing. If you liked my idea, so please give me a like. Okay friends.